Hello, everyone. We're learning English is easy, fun, and friendly. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. Hey, Sophia. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. I'm so happy to be here with all our amazing listeners. How about you?
I'm feeling fantastic too. It's always a good day when we get to talk about English and help people feel more confident.
That's so true. And Jake, today's topic is really useful, right?
Oh, yes. Today we're talking about how to introduce yourself in English. This is something we all need to do in different situations, at school, work, when traveling, or just meeting new people.
Absolutely. But sometimes even simple introductions can feel scary in a new language. That's why we're here to make it simple and fun.
Before we start, friends, please remember to like this episode, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who is learning English. Your support really helps us.
Yes, thank you so much. Now, let's get started. Jake, what's the first thing someone should say when introducing themselves?
The first thing is always your name. You can say, "Hi, my name's Jake," or "Hello, I'm Jake."
Easy and clear. Then you can say where you're from. I'm from London. Or I come from a small town in Canada.
Yes, this is a great start. Name and country or city. Then you can add one more detail, like what you do or a hobby you like.
For example, I'm a student. I work in a hospital. I like reading books.
That's the beginner-friendly version, short and sweet. Don't worry about being perfect, just say a few clear sentences.
And smile. Smiling makes a big difference when you speak. It helps you feel relaxed and look confident, too.
Okay, friends, in the next part, we'll talk about a simple plan to make your introduction sound more complete and natural. Stay with us. All right, Sophia. In the last part, we gave a basic introduction. Now, let's help our listeners sound a bit more complete when they introduce themselves.
Yes, we have a simple plan that works in many situations. We call it present, past, future.
Exactly. First, talk about your present. Say your name, what you do, or what you study.
For example, my name is Sophia. I'm an English teacher. I love helping people learn.
Perfect. Next, talk about your past. What did you do before? What did you study? Where did you grow up?
Like this, I studied English literature at university. Before teaching, I worked in a bookstore.
Great. And finally, the future. What are your goals? What do you want to do?
I want to create more fun English lessons and travel to different countries.
So the full version sounds like this. My name is Sophia. I'm an English teacher. I studied English literature and worked in a bookstore. Now I want to create more fun English lessons and travel.
That's a great full answer. It tells a small story, who you are, what you've done, and what you want to do.
And it's perfect for formal situations like school, meetings, or even job interviews.
Yes, and it's still simple enough for beginners if you practice it step by step.
Friends, try this now. Think of your present, past, and future. Can you say one sentence for each?
Pause the episode, write your answers, then say them out loud. Practice really helps.
In the next part, we'll show you how to make an even simpler version for casual or beginner-level conversations.
Okay, Jake, what if someone is just starting to learn English? Maybe they're nervous and don't want to say too much.
Great question. For beginners, we have a very simple and safe way to introduce yourself. It's short, clear, and easy to remember.
Yes, the goal is not to say everything. The goal is to say something with confidence.
So here's the plan. 1. Say your name. 2. Say where you're from. 3. Say one thing you like.
That's it. Just 3 short parts. For example, my name is Sophia. I'm from Italy. I like cooking.
Or, I'm Jake. I come from Canada. I enjoy playing football.
It's simple, right? And it still helps people get to know you a little.
Exactly. And for people who feel shy, this version is perfect. You don't need to talk too much. Just speak clearly and smile.
Smiling is important. It makes you feel better and shows you are friendly.
Here's another example. My name is Leela. I'm from Brazil. I love music.
You can practice this kind of introduction many times. Try saying it in front of a mirror or recording yourself.
The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, even if it's just 1 or 2 lines.
And friends, remember, it's okay to make mistakes. What matters is trying and practicing.
In the next part, we'll talk about job interviews, how to introduce yourself in a more professional way.
All right, Jake. Now let's talk about a very important situation, job interviews.
Yes, this is where tell me about yourself is almost always the first question. And it's a big one.
But don't worry, we're going to make it simple. In job interviews, the goal is to show that you are a good fit for the job.
Right. You don't need to tell your life story. Just focus on your skills, your experience, and what makes you a good choice for the job.
So again, we use present, past, and future, but now we connect it to the job.
For example, hi, my name is Jake. I've worked in customer service for 3 years. I enjoy helping people and solving problems. I'm looking for a new role where I can grow my skills and support a great team.
That's a strong answer. It's short, professional, and focused on what the company wants.
Yes, and you should always read the job description before the interview. Think about what they're looking for.
Then choose 1 or 2 things you are good at that match the job, like computers, organization, or teamwork.
Here's another example. My name is Sophia. I studied accounting and worked as a bookkeeper for 2 years. I'm very organized and careful with details. I hope to join your team and help manage financial reports.
That's perfect. It shows your experience and what you want to do next.
Coming up next, we'll talk about how to introduce yourself when meeting new people in casual situations.
Now let's talk about everyday situations, like meeting someone new at a party, a class, or even on vacation.
Yes, these moments are more relaxed. You don't need to sound formal. You just want to sound friendly.
In casual conversations, your introduction can be fun and personal. You can talk about what you enjoy or something interesting about you.
For example, hey, I'm Jake. I love hiking on weekends and trying new coffee shops.
Or, hi, I'm Sophia. I'm really into photography. I love taking nature photos.
You can also ask a question after your introduction. This helps start a real conversation.
Exactly. Try saying, I love playing the piano. What about you? Do you play any instruments?
This makes it a two-way conversation, not just you talking. It shows interest in the other person.
And don't be afraid to share a small fun fact, like, I can juggle, or I have a dog that sings when I play music.
That makes you more memorable. People enjoy small surprises like that.
Let's try one full example. Hi, I'm Sophia. I enjoy baking cakes on the weekend. I once made a cake that looked like a cat. What about you? Do you like baking?
That's a great way to connect and keep the conversation going.
Up next, we'll share tips for people who feel shy and nervous when introducing themselves in English.
Sophia, not everyone feels confident when speaking English, especially when introducing themselves. What can we say to help them?
That's a great point, Jake. Many people feel shy at first, and that's completely normal. The key is to start small and practice often.
Yes, start with just 1 or 2 sentences. Say your name, where you're from, and one thing you like.
And repeat those sentences every day. Say them to yourself in the mirror. Say them out loud while walking. The more you repeat, the easier it gets.
Also, don't try to be perfect. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is.
Exactly. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. It's okay. Mistakes mean you're learning.
You could also write down your introduction and read it out loud. Then, try saying it without looking.
Practice with a friend or teacher if you can. Or record your voice and listen to your pronunciation.
And remember, most people are patient and kind. They're happy to hear you try, even if you make a few mistakes.
That's right. Don't let fear stop you. Your English will improve as you use it more.
In the final part, we'll give you some real examples and talk about common mistakes to avoid when introducing yourself.
Welcome back. Now it's time to review everything we've learned and give you some real examples.
Yes, and we'll also talk about some common mistakes people make when introducing themselves in English.
Let's start with examples. Jake, can you give us a basic one?
Sure. My name is Jake. I'm from Canada. I enjoy playing football and reading science books.
Nice and simple. Now here's a more complete one using present, past, and future. I'm Sophia. I'm an English teacher. I studied literature at university and worked in a library. I want to create more English lessons and help learners around the world.
That's clear and professional. Now let's look at a few mistakes learners should avoid.
Mistake number 1, talking too much. Don't tell your whole life story. Keep it short and clear.
Mistake number 2, not practicing. If you don't practice, you might forget what to say when someone asks you.
Mistake number 3, being too negative. Don't talk badly about yourself or your job. Stay positive.
Mistake number 4, sharing too much personal or private information. Keep your introduction friendly but safe.
And mistake number 5, not thinking about the situation. Your introduction at a party is different from a job interview. Adjust your answer.
Great advice, Sophia. Remember, friends, introducing yourself is a skill. And like all skills, it gets better with practice.
Yes. Start with something simple, repeat it often, and grow from there.
Before we go, please remember to like this episode, subscribe to the Chill English channel, and share it with someone who's learning English.
And leave a comment below. What's one fun fact about you? We'd love to hear it.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now, and have a great day.